Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Châteauguay, Quebec, is a beautiful town located just southwest of Montreal, along the Châteauguay River. With a mix of scenic views, rich history, and a close-knit community, it's a wonderful place to explore. Châteauguay dates back to the 17th century when French settlers first arrived. It became officially recognized in the early 18th century, and over the years, it developed into a small, but significant community in Quebec. One major historical event here was the Battle of Chateauguay in 1813. This was part of the War of 1812, where Canadian and Indigenous forces fought off American troops, right near the Châteauguay River. There's a National Historic Site here, where you can learn more about this important moment. Châteauguay is surrounded by nature, with the Châteauguay River running right through it. It has lots of green spaces and parks, which makes it perfect for outdoor activities. People here love visiting Parc de la Commune, a riverside park with beautiful trails, picnic areas, and views of the river. The town has a friendly, laid-back vibe, and it's a popular spot for people who want to live close to Montreal but enjoy a quieter lifestyle. Châteauguay has several cozy neighborhoods, schools, and community centers, making it a great place for families. Thanks for joining us as we take a look around Châteauguay. Whether you're here for the history, the scenery, or just to relax, Châteauguay has something for everyone.
Bye.